boys and girls, would you like to learn how to create your very own go-away big green monster paper bag puppet just like this guy? Hey, how you doing today?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. You want to show the kids how to make a paper bag puppet just like you?
I sure do. Okay.
All right, if you want to learn, just watch.
Just watch.
Please be sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell, and watch my whole video and share it with a friend. Thank you. The monster character that I use in this video today comes from the book by Ed Emberley, Go Away Big Green Monster. I'm going to start with making a vertical line that's going to be my center point. And now I'm going to sketch in his nose that is like an oval and a circle for his face. 2 circles to the left and the right of the nose and 2 little pupil circles for his eyes. His mouth is shaped like a bean shape. After correcting some of my lines with my eraser, I'm going to start putting in the triangles for his teeth. Now I'm going to start putting some of those wavy lines in for his hair. And those big ears, which kind of look like horns. And then I'm going to clean up everything with my eraser. With my thin marker, I'm going to outline my lines, and then I'm going to take my green marker and I'm going to outline on the inside, and then I'm going to use my 1-stroke method to start coloring inside his face. And yes, his face is green. You want to do the whole thing. Now I'm starting with a light blue for his nose. I always like to outline first on the inside, away from the color to give me a little buffer, then color in. His ears are also the same color. I outline with my marker first, and then I color inside, taking my time doing my 1-stroke method. His hair is purple, his eyes are yellow, and then we go around the teeth, and the inside of his mouth is red. Voila! Now I'm going to take my scissor and I'm going to start cutting out the face. We want to take our time, turn, turn, turn while cutting with your scissor, and you want to cut all the white off and try not to cut any parts of the big green monster out. This is going to be his face for our puppet. The only thing we'll have to do after cutting everything out is to take a ruler, mark it, we're going to make a line, and then we're going to cut on that line so that our mouth can move. Now I have my paper bag. See how the paper bag moves? That's where we need to place the mouth so that we can, when you open and close your hand, your paper bag will move. We'll create the illusion of talking. Now I'm quickly coloring the bottom part of his body with black, and then I'm going to take my glue. And I'm going to put glue on the bottom part of his mouth, and you can see the little imprint where I used my pencil earlier before we colored to outline. And now the big part goes over the square part of the bag. Please do not glue your bag shut, otherwise when you try to make your puppet talk, it'll go and you want them to be able to talk. And if you hang into the very end, you will actually hear my puppet talking. I have his mouth open and I have a red marker, and I'm coloring the inside of the mouth all red because I want to make sure when I open the mouth that it creates the illusion of this being his mouth. I'm just about finished and we're getting ready to test it out. Hello, boys and girls. I'm the big green monster. Hey, how you doing? I can get your finger. Yeah, I'm the big green monster. Don't be scared of me. I'm the big green monster. Don't be scared of me. I'm a friendly monster. Ah!
What'd you say, Big Green Monster? Big Green Monster said he hopes everybody it's a chance to make your very own big green monster that you can have at home.
That's right. I want you to have one at home.